Hey everyone, welcome to the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star, and today we're going to be doing the jeans that sold on the platform of eBay in the month of March. And I haven't picked out every single pair of jeans that sold, but I did pick out really good bread and butter brands to show you guys, tried and true brands that flip for us regularly for good prices, as well as some bolos. And because it's summer, you guys will see sprinkled in here and there some of the denim shorts that we sell. I am a huge fan of jean shorts and booty shorts, especially in the summertime. We do pretty good with those. So let's jump right on in with what you're looking at on the screen. You're looking at a pair of bullhead women's jeans. These are junior size 5, skinny, low rise. And I'm going to show you 2 more pair because the same buyer bought all 3 pairs. These are Denim Boulevard jeans, size 7. And then we have Bongo juniors, size 5, also skinny. And these were skinny as well. Now, these 3 brands are kind of poop brands, but they are an example of brands that I'll get, say, in the ThredUp box. And I kind of have the mindset, I've already paid the money for the ThredUp box. I've paid to have it shipped to my door. I might as well list everything in there unless it's complete poop. Like if it's Faded Glory or like a Walmart brand, I probably wouldn't list it. But if there's brands in there that are kind of poopy, things I would pass on when I was outsourcing, I would still list them because I'm already in the money and I can make a little profit on them. Also, we run a sale in our store where people can get, I believe it's 25% off of bulk buys that are $25 or more. And we don't have people take advantage of it very often, but they do. And this is an example. So she got 3 pairs of jeans and then she got a discount for all 3 pairs. But we were able to ship them all together to the same buyer and save money on shipping. She paid $47 for the 3 pairs, and we shipped them in a box. I couldn't quite cram them all into padded flat. I tried, trust me. We shipped them in a box, and it cost about $9. Had we sold each of these separately and shipped them in padded flats, it would have been around $24 total to ship all 3. So we saved about $15 in shipping. She got a nice discount for buying 3 pairs, and it got rid of some lower end brands that came to me in a ThredUp box, and we made a good profit. So yeah, I don't throw everything away that's not great that comes in those ThredUp boxes, unless it's utter poop, because it can sell, it does sell, and you might as well, you've already paid for it. Next up, you're looking at True Religion jeans. Everyone's familiar with these. They are a Bolo brand. They are Joey's, size 27. And these sold for $40.26. I do love me some True Religion. Next up, we have some Not Your Daughter cuffed jeans. These are super cute. They have the lift tuck technology that Not Your Daughter's jeans is known for. Any jeans with any kind of lift, tuck, shape, suck in, anything like that, I actually do recommend that you source them. There's a brand called Wanna Betta Butt by YMI. YMI is typically a poop brand, but if I find their Wanna Betta Butts, I do purchase them for resale because they sell really, really fast. They typically come in junior sizes and ship first class. They go for like $18 to $20, but they'll flip fast. The Not Your Daughter's lift tuck, there's a Chico's So Lifting and So Slimming lines. Anything that has like the panel in it or shaping or anything like that do sell really well. Not Your Daughter's jeans is also a really good brand to keep your guys' eyes out for when you're sourcing. This pair sold overnight for $24.99. They were a size 14, and they are unique in that they have the cuffs and they're the ankle length. So they're cute for summer. They're a really good size. I think that had a lot to do with it, but they did sell overnight. Next up, we have J. Crew. These are the toothpick line by them. These are a size 27. They're white. I don't really like white clothes. I try to avoid them as much as possible unless they come in like a thread up or a wholesale lot. Or if I find them in the wild, then it's a super duper expensive. Like if I found Miss Me jeans or True Religion in white, I'd grab them. J. Crew is an okay brand on eBay. It does a little bit better on Poshmark. It still has a pretty good following over on Poshmark. It's considered a better brand over there. It's included in a lot of their parties as a preppy brand. So if you do pick up J. Crew, make sure you're cross-posting it to Poshmark. Most times you'll sell it over there first for a little bit more money. Sometimes it'll sell on eBay. This pair had shipping on it as well. So the total buy-in for the buyer was $19.31, all in on this pair. Next up is some jean shorts. These are new with tags. These came in a wholesale lot, and they have all the tags on them. And these are slender stretch too, so these instantly slim you. Speaking of jeans that slim, that is just very popular with women. So if you see stuff like that, grab it up. This flatters your figure and holds its shape, according to the tag. Ultra stretch denim, slimming tummy. They were new with tags. Writers is a brand I'll always pick up in plus sizes, even used. I do pretty good with it. These jeans sold for $17.99 on a best offer. Next up, we have one of my favorite bread and butter brands, and everyone always thinks I'm crazy when I tell them that. The thing with Hollister is most of the jeans you find in Hollister are going to be smaller sizes. They're going to ship first class, and they typically sell for $18 to $20, sometimes a little bit less, but they sell quickly, and they do ship first class for the most part. These really needed some work on the photo. You guys know I said I've been going through and fixing our photos on eBay and Poshmark using the photo room app. It's free. They do have a paid version that allows you to do more than one photo at a time. I'm using the free version right now. I'm just kind of fixing photos. These are ugly pictures, but these sold with shipping on them. So all in, the buyer paid $16.63. Had I gone through and fixed the photos on these, I probably would have raised the price back up to like $19 and put free shipping on them. I didn't get that far though. They sold. Next up, we have these Max jeans, another pair that came to me in a thread-up box. I don't know if I would source them, but they are unique. You see these little stripes on them? They had like a unique print. And they're just an average size 10 capri jeans. They had shipping charged on them, so all in, the buyer paid $21 for these. So that's actually not a bad price. That's typically what most small brands and bread and butters are going to get you, about $20 to $22. So $21 on these Max jeans. We have a couple more True Religions to show you guys. This pair sold for $30 all in, had shipping on them. The reason this pair sold for $30 and not more like $40 is because they had missing buttons. Both of the buttons were missing off the back pockets, so I had to take that into account, and they had some stains on the legs there, all of which were disclosed in the description and shown in the photos. This pair of True Religions are jegging jeans. They're low-rise skinny. They're black. And these pictures aren't that great either. Yep, there's a reason why I'm redoing all my pictures. These also had writing on the tag, but I didn't really take that into account as far as being anything that should affect the price. These had shipping on them, so the buyer paid $44.12 all in $44.12 for True Religion black jegging jeans. Democracy is a brand that I personally really like. I know some folks don't, but I do really well with it. This pair had some damage on the hems. Let's see it. I disclosed that, and I did put in the description box and all the photos of the damage. There's some loose threads on the pocket here. So this pair sold for $24 on a best offer. Normally, I probably would have started these more around $35, maybe even $40. But I did have to take into account that it had the loose threads and the damage. These came in a thread-up box, and that's the only reason I listed them. But then I was kind of surprised when I comped them. They're cinch boys jeans. They're just a size 10, which is like a pretty average size for kids. They're straight leg. They don't have an adjustable waist or anything cool like that. Kids jeans with the adjustable waist do really well, by the way, especially husky sizes. But these comped really high. So if you see cinch kids jeans, I guess grab them. They surprised me. Like if I'd seen these in the wild, I probably would have passed them by. But they came in a thread-up box. So I'm like, what the hey? List them anyway. And I did take a best offer on them of $19, but that's still pretty good for kids jeans. I mean, that's women's mall brand prices right there. So another pair of True Religions sold. May was the month of True Religions, guys. This pair sold for $39.99, free shipping, so $40. These are size 25 flare. The one thing I really like about True Religions is the flare ones always have that line down the leg. See what I'm talking about? So usually if you see that line, you can almost guarantee they're going to be flare. I would still go by the tag, and this one said flare on it, and the measurements just to be sure. But typically, like their bell-bottom flares and their hippie pants have these like lines down them. Here's a pair of Tommy Hilfiger shorts. Yet again, another example of how not to do your pictures. Look how terrible that. I don't even know why it's so yellow. Grody to the max. Grody. So anyways, these definitely needed to have the background fixed with photo room, but they've been around for a long time, and I was just happy to get rid of them for $13 for Tommy Hilfiger jean shorts. Now, had I gotten around to fixing these photos, I probably would have put the price back up to like 15, maybe 16. And sorry for the fire hall sirens. Next up, we have some Old Navy men's jeans. These are size 34, which is a good size for men. These came in a thread up, but I would have picked these up in the wild. They're the loose built-in flex. I love Old Navy. It's a really good bread and butter brand that we've done solidly with for years. I did take a best offer of $21 on these. These are Wrangler Q Baby women's jeans. So these came in a thread-up box, and I had never heard of Q Baby. So I was like, what the heck? And then I saw the inside where it says Wrangler. I take it these are horse riding jeans. You can see a horse here on the waistband. See it? And I believe someone told me that Q Baby are like horseback riding jeans. So if you see Q Baby, they are Wrangler, and they do comp at a lot higher of a price than regular women's Wrangler jeans. So I would absolutely pick up Q Babies if I ever found them in the wild. This pair also sold really super fast. I think it was within a day or two for $29.99. Then I have another pair of shorts. This is a generic brand. It's LC Laura Conrad. I actually think it's like a department store brand, so maybe I shouldn't say generic, but it's not a sought-after Bolo brand for sure. But again, these came in a thread up. I decided to list them. These ones actually have really good photos. The background I did take out. So it's nice and crisp and white, and the jeans look nice and dark. Very good looking. So even though these are just Elsie Laura Conrad, they are jean shorts. I love denim and jean shorts and booty shorts. They always sell really well. And the generic brands of the jean shorts will sell for more than their full-length jean counterparts. I did take a best offer of $14.75 on these shorts. And that is the last item of the jeans that sold in May. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about Flippin' jeans, you can always comment here or tag me in the Facebook group, Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. There's a link to join that down below as well. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Help us feed a hungry hippo. Until next time, go be productive, go make some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.